Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to cook the breast chicken in the air fryer. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And so we start to plug it in the air fryer. Fry, roast, bake, and we're gonna click the reheat to make it hot, and it's gonna be 4 seconds and 360 Fahrenheit, and we're gonna wait for that. So while we're waiting, we're gonna ready the breast chicken. It's already dry. I dry in the towel. So we're gonna spray it in olive oil, and then we're gonna sprinkle pink salt, just a little, yeah, put a lot, and then we're gonna put some ground pepper, organic. Sprinkle it, and then we're gonna put some paprika, just sprinkle. You don't want to get out. So the reheat is already done. It's already fryer is already hot, so you need to be careful. Try to check it out, and you be careful that it's hot. So I already put back to back the seasoning, and it's already ready to the air fryer. And then just be careful because it's hot. I'm gonna spray it. Spray some oil, just a little, and ready to put the breast chicken. That's it, and then put it in, and we're gonna click right now the air fry. Next we're gonna adjust this seconds. Usually cook it in 9 seconds. Click the start, and then we're gonna wait for that time. Some people do 8, but I did 9 to make it more juicy and good. So right now it's 5 seconds. And by the way guys, if it's like halfway, you need to turn right the chicken breast. You're gonna turn it. Look like that, looks good, so juicy. So we're gonna turn the chicken and put it back. So we're gonna wait for 3 minutes. So just wait a little bit. It's already cooked. Look at that. Looks so good. And we're gonna put in the plate, small plate. ready to eat. Already cut it and look, so juicy and perfect.